So I think everyone at Altium, we've refined this thinking in the way that we articulate it internally, but if you were to look at the things that we present externally, like when we do go to shareholder meetings, and in particular we do a technology day to our investor community, and we've done it the last several years in Australia, and that kind of, you can see the presentations on the web and so forth. But that's a real clue for anybody who really wants to know where Altium is going. If you look at those things directionally, that gives you a lot of guidance. And the thing that we say over and over and over again is that it's our mission to transform the electronics industry. And specifically what I mean by that is that creating electronics is more than just about the design process and the design tools. And so there's what I would kind of call it a value chain that's involved, right? You have people who think about the product and what's the intent of the product, and that kind of like breaks down into requirements for mechanical systems, for electronic systems, and all of that. But even then, the job's not over, because there have to be components that are supplied to that, or that are selected from that, and then found and acquired. There has to be a board that gets manufactured, the bare board. There has to be the assembly and fabrication of the full, system level board and everything. And sometimes it's multiple boards, and then it's all got to be put together. And so the job's not really done until everybody does that.
Right.
And the thing that is sort of striking about the electronics industry is that that's a really discontinuous process. We kind of like all think within our sort of silos, domains with our blinders on, and we believe that it's our it's going to sound a little silly, but it's got it's our self directed destiny to kind of change that. That's what we want to do. So the mission of the company is to really change, to transform the way that electronics are conceived, designed, manufactured, and delivered to the world. And we think there's lots of opportunities to do that a lot better.